This is a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a remote start feature, the appearance package, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.